today we're looking at the DEWALT Electric Lawnmower. I've been using it for about a month and a half now, and I want to run through it for you so you can get up and running with it very quickly. The DEWALT Electric Lawnmower runs about $500, depending on what kind of batteries and things you get set up with. I would encourage you to get the 10 amp hour batteries, to have the 10 instead of the 5s, but instead of getting only about 25 minutes of run time, you're going to be able to get 75 minutes of run time with the bigger batteries. It'll cost a little bit more, like 50 bucks more, but I'd encourage you to get those just in case if you need to mow a larger section sometime. And the reason I say that is because this is a fairly portable lawnmower. What's nice is that using just quarter turns here, you're able to collapse the lawnmower, another quarter turns back, it all locks into place. You're able to lift it up and you're good to go. Very compact, great for a smaller garage, things like that. Able to lift this back up, and it has two different slots where it's able to do it at, whether it's an exact 45-degree angle, and then this one is a little bit lower. So you have some adjustability there. Being able to adjust the height of what you're cutting is great. I can lower it way down or all the way up, or 6 total different adjustments you can make on the front and back. You do have a mulch bag here, able to lift this up on the back, able to just latch it in here with these latches, and it all holds into place really well, just like a lot of other gas mowers. Now, what else is nice is that on the back it does have a battery indicator light. Basically, it'll flash red at you when the battery's starting to die, and it will just flash and not turn the mower on when the battery is completely dead. That's when you gotta pull these batteries out and charge them. What's nice is each of these batteries, they have a battery indicator on each one separately. So I can, showing 2 out of 3 lights on, so I'm good to go. I would definitely encourage you to write your name on these. Make sure you don't lose these, because these are a good investment. It's about $150 for these 2 batteries. And the nice thing is, yeah, you pay that 500 bucks and these come along with, but what you gotta remember is that these batteries are expensive and they're very powerful. What you need to do is when you're thinking about purchasing an electric lawnmower or any kind of electric device, think about the batteries that you're getting with them and what they're compatible with. This is compatible with over 200 DEWALT power tools, whether that's the weed eater, whether it's their drills, whether it's their miter saws, all sorts of things. This will be able to run on so many different electric devices in the DEWALT family. Now, if you're going to buy something else, whether it's an Ego or a Greenworks lawnmower, just understand that you're limited to those products that you have access to with this battery system. I would encourage you to take a hard look at that, because if you're going to have a bunch of power tools and you're wanting to get an electric lawnmower, I would say you probably should pick the one that goes along with your power tools if the lawnmower makes sense. I have some Milwaukee tools, but unfortunately the Milwaukee electric lawnmower was so much more expensive than the DEWALT. I decided, hey, I have DEWALT tools, I'm gonna go with DEWALT, and I'll start buying more DEWALT because I've now invested more into their battery system. So that's important to remember there. Other things, we have how you turn it on and how it operates. So what you have here, down at the bottom, you have this key. This is a key that you can take out and the lawnmower will not run. So this is kind of just a safety feature here, a security feature here. But yeah, you get it all plugged in there, you're good to go. You push down this button, you pull this back, and it will start. So that's how you're able to start the mower, and that's as simple as it gets. There's no oil, there's no pulling of strings, there's no priming, nothing like that. Just push it and it starts and you're good to go. So I hope this video has been helpful for you guys, and I will see you all in the next one.